Alright, so let's take a look at what is now Hurricane Sandy and where the storm will be heading over the next little while. Still expected to have at least somewhat of an impact on the U.S. and in the long range for Canada. Areas anywhere from Miami, Florida to southern Ontario out to Nova Scotia need to monitor the progress of this storm. Early Friday morning at about midnight, the storm was about 170 kilometers east of Nassau in the Bahamas. Sandy will continue to move through the central Bahamas into the northwestern sections of the Bahamas tonight, and Friday. The storm is expected to move north-northwestward by Friday evening. So tropical storm conditions are expected northward along the east coast of Florida this evening through Friday. Sandy is expected to produce total rainfall of about 6 to 12 inches across Haiti and the Dominican Republic, and these rains may produce life-threatening flash floods and mudslides as well. And areas over the Bahamas possibly looking at about 3 to 6 inches of rain, and the combination of dangerous storm surge and high tide will cause normally dry areas in Florida to be flooded, and areas that's in the hurricane warning in the Bahamas possibly 5 to 8 feet of storm surge, and the Florida coast about 1 to 2 feet. And then in the long range for Canada, the storm actually may have some kind of impact on Canada. The Canadian Hurricane Center says Sandy will likely have an impact on areas of eastern Canada early next week. They say the track and intensity, as always, will depend on the many changing models over several days. Still too early to meaningfully state how the system will affect particular areas. So, as you can see here, the storm is a Category 2, and then it's going to be a Category 1, we expect by Saturday, Sunday, into Monday. And then Tuesday, it is expected to actually make landfall in the United States, and is likely to be a hurricane as it does so. So it's definitely something that we need to keep a very close eye on. The storm right now is at 8 o'clock p.m. Thursday. Was moving north and northwest at 17 miles per hour. The minimum pressure at 96.5 millibars, and the maximum sustained winds were at 100 miles per hour. So, of course, it's definitely a system that we need to watch out for, and you can stay tuned to WX Center. We'll have the very latest on this storm.